Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Avangate and you're wondering, is this a good affiliate network for you to start selling products on? What is this all about? Is it legit? Can you make a lot of money from this particular network or not, right? Maybe there are better choices out there. And anytime, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you that favorite strategy of mine and you can check it out if you would like, all right? Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different platforms, different websites, different business models, all sorts of courses on this channel, and some of them are really great and you can make potentially a lot of money. Some of them so-so, and some of them are just straight up not real at all, so I would be careful with some of them. Let's check out Avangate to find out how this actually works. Okay, now Avangate is a very big affiliate network, all right, so 100% legit. They've been around for many years, and they specialize mainly in software and digital goods. Okay, so they're not like Amazon Associates, they're not like CJ Affiliate, they're not like some of those other networks that specialize in physical products. These guys specialize in digital software and digital goods. Very important. Now, actually, they focus very heavily on the tech space in SaaS, right? So software as a service, security, antivirus, those kinds of products. If you have a following, or if you're in the niche in that kind of area and you're looking for that kind of product, then Avangate is a pretty cool way to actually get access to some of these products. So for example, if you wanted to, you could sell Bitdefender, you could sell Kaspersky, you could sell Malwarebytes, IOBit, Movavi, right? And we'll cover some of these a little bit so that you can have a look at them, right? And they pay anywhere from 25 to up to 70% commissions depending on the product that you're selling. Okay, so how this works is it's very simple. You just come here, you sign up, okay, and you can sign up from pretty much anywhere in the world. All right, and once you sign up, all right, you will get access into their marketplace, and I'm just going to show you the marketplace right here. And it's very simple. All right, all affiliate marketing is you just grab a link from the product that you want to sell, and when somebody clicks on your link and buys through your link, you get paid a commission directly from that particular company. All right, so affiliate marketing is a $12 billion industry. 88% of all retailers have an affiliate program. Excuse me. And Avangate works with a lot of these SaaS companies, antivirus companies, digital tech companies to list their products and help them with their affiliate program. That's all it is, right? So if you see some of the products here, Ease Text Audio to Text Converter. So this is a piece of software, right? They're paying 50% commissions. This one is the Movavi photo editor. Movavi is a very popular photo editor, right? They're paying 40% commission. So basically, if you were to take your Movavi link and you were to promote it to your audience, maybe you have an email list, maybe you have a tech blog, right, where you're actually writing an article on different photo editors and you reference Movavi as one of them, right? If somebody clicks on your link and they buy through your link, you can generate potentially a 40% commission. Okay, so it depends on how much these products cost. So Movavi might cost $60 or $70. You would make 40% commissions on that. So it's like $20 or $30 in sales that will get paid to you. All right, so that's as an example. What else? They've got advanced system care. So this is basically for malware on your actual computer. So if you're using a PC, for example, then someone might download this and pay for it because they want to clean out the malware on their computer, right? And you can make 60% commission. So if this costs $80, you're gonna make $50 in commissions. Not too bad, all right? If I got my math right there, right? And you can see here, they've got all sorts of different things that they're selling. So for example, light PDF editor, background eraser, A-Power mirror, right? You can see the commissions there. Driver Easy Pro, Swift Do PDF, Anycase app, Maildex emailer, right? All sorts of different things. So they're really big into really tech software. Okay, now what are the pros and cons of selling or picking products through Avangate? Well, here's the big issue, right? Unfortunately, not everybody is going to be able to sell these products because you may not have an audience that's interested in tech, SaaS, or security or antivirus products, right? Maybe you don't have a following in this, if you have a YouTube channel or a Facebook channel or a TikTok channel, right? But you're not really into tech products or SaaS or antivirus or software, then unfortunately it's going to be very difficult for you to sell this. The other thing is that another way that you can sell this is also you might have like a tech blog, right? So if you don't have a tech blog and you're not really ranking for articles in this space, then you're not going to be able to use it, unfortunately. So the big issue with selling, I think, SaaS and antivirus and security is that you have to be very much into that niche. And you have to already have a channel or a big following that are interested in products like this. Otherwise, it's going to be quite difficult for you to resell it, okay? But if you do have that, right, if you already have a following in this particular area, then it's great because you have access to a lot of very, very big household name products. I mean, Kaspersky is huge, right? And they've got, Movavi is a big piece of software, right? So you're literally getting access to some really, really good products, but you have to match the product to the audience, okay? That's very important because if you don't have the right audience for these products, then you're not gonna make any sales. But if you do have it, then I think Avangate is a great affiliate network. It's global. They pay you out directly through PayPal, and there's some pretty good commissions on here. Although a lot of them, it's only that upfront commission, all right, that you get to keep. Some of them you get to keep the recurring commission. So it just depends on the affiliate program that you decide to check out. So very important for you to, before you start selling, make sure you actually check in detail whether you're paid just for the initial sale or if you're being paid for recurring commissions as well. Because if you're being paid for recurring, then it could be pretty interesting for you, right, as a marketer. But at the same time, again, you need the right audience and you need to match it. And unfortunately, Avangate doesn't teach you that. They're just a network, okay? So they give you access to the product, but they don't teach you how to market the product. So if you're an absolute beginner, that might be one of the big problems that you might have. You don't really know how to sell these products because you don't have the skills to do that yet, okay? But if you do, Avangate, pretty cool if you're interested in tech, SaaS, security, antivirus products. Oh, I also should mention that their cookies are pretty long, 120 days. So that's basically 4 months. If somebody clicks on your affiliate link, then within the 4-month period, as long as they buy that product within 4 months, then you're going to get the credit as the affiliate marketer, which is pretty cool because most affiliate networks don't have cookies that last that long. Usually it's only 30 days, sometimes it's 60 days if you're lucky. So 120 days, which is 4 months, that's a very, very long time, which means that they allow you more time to keep that sale as long as you're the person that recommended that particular customer to your link, if that makes sense, okay? So if you want to check it out, avangatenetwork.com. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to generate money online. Maybe you want to do it through affiliate marketing, you're in research mode, but you don't know how to do it, right? You don't have the skills to build an audience, to build a simple selling process, to convert them into sales, because that's also important, right? How do you expose your links, right? Let's just say you wanted to sell a piece of software like this, a digital download, or anything really in affiliate marketing, but you don't know how to get exposure, you don't know how to get leads, you don't know how to convert them into a sale, you don't know how to build a relationship with them, because that's also very important, right? Why should someone buy from your link versus somebody else's link? Or why don't they just go directly to the website? Why don't they just go directly to Movavi? Why do they have to buy through your link, right? So there is a very specific skill set in order to do this. And if you would like to learn how to do that so that you can go from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month selling affiliate products, I've got a free training that you can check out. Just click the link below and I'll send you that straight to your email. You can check it out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Avangate. I wish you all the best. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.